Welcome back to Emilee's Paper Caper. I'm here with Sir Scraps-A-Lot for Stamp Play and Stamping Sunday, two open collaborations that encourage us to use our rubber stamps. Sir Scraps-A-Lot likes to use paper scraps and stamping and all kinds of paper crafting, so he's my new mascot. Last week I stamped with this set from Stampin' Up. It's called Along the Same Lines. And I stamped this Wish Big cake. Over the course of the last week, I have colored and cut and created cards, and I want to show you the completed cards. On some of the cards, I used the Wish Big on the outside, and some of them I used them on the inside. But also last week, I was looking for my die cut that creates this cute whisk, and I couldn't find it last week, but I've found it now. It was right where it belonged. It was in with my dies. The set looks like this, and it's going to be great for my recipe journal to celebrate reaching 5,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I'm inviting viewers and subscribers to send their favorite celebratory recipe, and I will include it in a recipe journal. So I cut a lot of these. There's whisks, spatulas, there's a rolling pin, and a knife, and these will be great for embellishments in the Celebrate Party Recipe Journal. If you would like to share your favorite party recipe with me, you can send it to me at the address on the screen. I will also include this address down in the description. Please send it to me by July 23rd, which happens to be my birthday. I will be creating the recipe journal here on YouTube and sharing the recipes received with you. Okay, let's look at the cards I created. This one has the stamped image on the outside. I dug into my paper scraps and used some inking around the edges. I have these little stamp spots, ink spots in different colors, purple and blue. And then on the inside, I put a happy birthday tag. And then on the back, I did hand stamped by, and always sign your work. I try to remember to sign my work. Sometimes I miss a card or two, but it's fun to sign your work and share with others that you've created the card. On this one, the tag is on the outside and the stamped image is on the inside. And I think it's nice either way. It's a lot of fun to use your stamps in different ways. Happy birthday to you. For these tags, I just punched a little, it's a flower punch, and then I put some yarn. And on the inside, we have the Wish Big. This one, the Wish Big, is on the outside. Make a wish on the inside. Signed on the back. That hedgehog is so cute. Let's eat cake. Happy birthday. Next week for Stamping Sunday, I'm going to use these fairy stamps. They came in a grabby box that I got. It's been probably 7 months ago that I got that grabby box, and I meant to stamp with these right away and then didn't do it, lost track of them. You know how it goes. So I will stamp with these fairies for next week on Stamping Sunday. I think they'll be a lot of fun. I might try them, stamping them in some different colors, and also I will use some embossing powder to see how these look in different colors, and then if they look different with embossing, I think that'll be a really fun experiment to use embossing powders in different colors and inks in different colors for these cute sprites or fairies. Let me know if you have any questions. I would love to hear from you. Keep on scrapping, stamping, and paper crafting.